want to show you now are some commands that will help with reading. I have a file that is open, which I've used before in a couple of my demos. It's a copy of the book Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. I'm not actually sure if I'm in the book, but we can easily find out. Let's press WH chord for where am I?
At line 1, in littlewomen.txt.
Okay, I am. I could also...
Viewing littlewomen.txt file 2 of 2, computer braille.
Okay, the way I got that was I pressed T chord for title. We've done a little bit of expanding with that, by the way, so you can, if you don't need the cursor position information, you could just press T chord.
Viewing littlewomen.txt file 2 of 2, computer braille.
Okay, so it said I'm viewing littlewomen.txt. It said viewing because I've protected the file so that I can't accidentally edit it. And it said computer braille because it is actually a computer braille file. Okay, let's go to the top of this.
Top of file.
And let me slow down the voice just a little bit since we're going to be doing a little bit of reading here.
Speech controls. Vol rate 0.
Okay.
Exit.
Okay. So I'm at the very beginning of this book.
By Louisa May Alcott.
Okay, that's the author.
Blank. 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 Part 1.
Okay.
Blank. Blank.
Now,
Chapter 1, Playing Pilgrims.
Now, I want to show you that some of this is broken up, so some of the paragraphs occupy more than one line. I'm showing you that for a reason.
Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents, grumbled Joe, lying on the...
So what we heard was Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents, grumbled Joe, lying on the... And the next line has the end of that paragraph.
Rug.
Rug, okay. Let's go to the next line. I'm just navigating with .4 chord.
It's so dreadful to...
It's so dreadful to what?
Be poor, sighed Meg, looking down at her old...
Looking down at her old, and the next line...
Dress.
Says dress.
I don't think it's...
The next line says, I don't think it's...
fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls nothing at all, added little Amy. With an injured sniff.
Okay, why am I showing you this? Because with the updates that we've had so far, if you read continuously, you would be able to hear that, but it would read line by line. So you might hear, it's so dreadful to be poor. And each line, whether it ended at a sentence or paragraph or whether it ended in the middle of a sentence, it would just stop. So you'd have some choppy speech. Well, what we've done is we've improved the continuous reading so that it now reads sentence by sentence. So you have a much nicer reading flow. And when we stop with dots 7 and 8, it stops at the beginning of whatever sentence you heard. So I'm going to go back to the top.
Top of file.
And I'm going to start reading what we heard with the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 chord, and you'll see that the flow is much nicer. So here we go with Little Women.
Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Part 1. Chapter 1, Playing Pilgrims. Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents, grumbled Joe, lying on the rug. It's so dreadful to be poor, sighed Meg, looking down at her old dress. I don't think it's fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls nothing at all, added little Amy, with an injured sniff. We've got father and mother and each other, said Beth contentedly from her...
Okay, so I think you heard what I'm talking about. It's a nice natural reading flow, and I stopped that with dots 7 and 8, which interrupts it, and if I read the current line...
We've got father and mother and each other, said Beth contentedly from her corner.
Yeah, that's where it put me. So that's really cool. Now, what I'm going to do...
Top of file.
...is there's one more thing with this that I will show you. Actually, two more things. Sentence navigation. So all of the chord commands that you know to move by lines, words, and characters, They still work as they always did. Nothing's changed. But now, let me move to the beginning of Chapter 1.
Louisa May Alcott, blank, blank, blank. Part 1, blank, blank. Chapter 1, Playing Pilgrims.
Okay. To read the next sentence, I can press .8 chord. That's .8 with the space key.
It's so dreadful to be poor.
Oh, I think it skipped.
Chapter 1, Playing Pilgrims. Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents, grumbled Joe, lying on the rug.
Okay. I know what happened. You had a sentence without a period, so it interpreted that as a sentence, or a chapter title without a period. So that's okay.
It's so dreadful to be poor, sighed Meg, looking down at her old dress.
Next sentence.
I don't think it's fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls nothing at all, added little Amy, with an injured sniff.
Next sentence.
We've got father and mother and each other, said Beth contentedly from her corner.
Previous sentence is .7 chord. That's .7 with the space key.
I don't think it's fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls nothing at all, added little Amy, with an injured sniff.
And we'll move to the previous sentence.
Sighed Meg, looking down at her old dress. It's so dreadful to be poor.
Okay, so we can now move sentence by sentence. And here's what's really cool. When you're doing a continuous read with the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 chord, or the ER sign chord, you can use those commands to skip back and forth, kind of like a rewind and fast forward key, if I can use cassette tape terms. So I'm going to start reading, and then I will press the next sentence key, and it'll just skip to the next sentence without stopping.
It's so dreadful to be, sighed Meg, looking down at, I don't think it's fair for some girls to, we've got father and mother and each other,
sentence.
Said Beth content, we've got father and I don't think it's fair, sighed Meg, look, it's so dreadful to be poor. Chapter 1, Playing.
Okay, so now you can skip back and forth, sentence by sentence, while you're reading without interrupting the reading. Another cool thing you can do is while you're reading, you can read the current sentence and it will read that one sentence in a slower voice. So let's start it out again. I think by the time this is done, you guys are going to have chapter 1 of this book memorized.
Chapter 1, Playing Pilgrims. Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents, grumbled Joe, lying on the rug. It's so dreadful to be poor. It's so dreadful to be poor, sighed Meg, looking down at her old dress. I don't think it's fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls. I don't think it's fair for some girls to have plenty of pretty things, and other girls nothing at all, added little Amy, with an injured sniff. We've got father and mother and each other.
And then it resumes the next sentence at whatever speech rate you've set. So those are just some of the commands and features that you can look forward to.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.